Hi friends, and this is our new video about the Instagram app. Today we will show you how to add different multiple pictures in one post on your Instagram account. Let's go to the watching. First and foremost, we need to open our Instagram app, and the most convenient way for me to add a new post is when we are on our profile page to tap on the plus icon at the top bar of the screen and choose the post option on the period bar. So right now, if we will tap on the next feature here, we are able to post only this one photo. But after clicking on this specific option like select multiple, we are able to edit different photos on this post. We just only need to pick on the dot on the selected photos. So I want to add this one as an example. Remember that you can also manage the scale, increasing or decreasing the selected picture, in a very convenient way here. And let's choose the third picture here. I will tap on this one as an example. So later, let's choose the next feature at the top bar to post it. Okay, so guys, remember that you can also choose some filters for each of the third of your edit photos, but you can also correct the selected one after tapping on this special icon on the selected picture. You can select another filter for it, or go to the edit mode, managing the brightness, contrast and other photo editors options. Later, let's pick on the done if you are sure that you had managed the selected picture and want to save it. Later, let's tap on the next to upload our newly created post. Remember that you also can add other features as on the all usual posts, like to tag people, add location. You also can manage the advanced settings option and share this post to your Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr and other accounts. Don't forget also about the caption. You can add some description as an example. Amazing. Later, let's tap on the OK to confirm our actions and add this post to our profile page. Share. And wait a minute before the posting. Yes, okay, so not now. Let's go to our profile page and refresh it after swiping to the bottom to check the result. Remember that this photo is our old one, we won't see on it, but this is newly created post. So as you can see, we have the three different pictures here, and after swiping it to the right or left side, we can smoothly check all of them. Amazing! So guys, I hope that right now you can create cool posts with different pictures, and as you can see here, we can also the shortcut, which means that this post is multiple. Here we have this icon, and on this post where we have only one picture, we don't have such a shortcut. So guys, don't forget about likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to find out even more cool tricks of your phone, and also about the Instagram app. Good luck! Bye bye!